Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you were wondering ukuthi, why today on Thursday we did not have a sitting, it's because Ramasipile was done with Ubongani Dance's re-exam and he needed to organize a new witness that is supposed to come next. He informed the court that he's still busy with the court manager regarding organizing for the next witness. So he requested that the matter be stood down until Monday. One of the interesting things is that I can't wait for the next witness. I don't even know who the witness would be, whether it will be someone that doesn't know, or it will be Steenkamp, or it will be the guys from Rustenburg, Abo Zondo, Abo Ndwandwe, I don't know. But what I do know, Untanzi must not bring his mother here or father. Now, he must do exactly like Usibia did. Leave the elderly alone. This is them being in prison is traumatizing on its own. Untanzi for me can bring someone who's gonna talk about that weekend. Someone who remembers ukuthi Untanzi wafika nekhaya esuke Rustenburg and imicimbi yenzeka and all of that shende. Secondly, I wish Untanzi can bring a witness, Steenkamp, so that we deal with the entire ID kit situation and what was said by the people that were inside the house regarding the people that came in, because that thing will also help when it comes to Ikeska. I choose number 3. And also, the other person that I think should come is, besides before that, when it comes to Steenkamp, she needs to come and tell us about something that Ukinenda made, that he showed Steenkamp the ID kit and Ntanzi's ID was with Steenkamp and there's something there. So I want Gininda. I want to tell us about that was said by Gininda. There's something there. So she needs to tell us something when it comes to that too. And then I also want someone from Capitec. I wish they can call someone from Capitec, because I have a feeling that they might have gotten a good statement and then they took it, and what they did with it, they went around and reshuffled and did their own thing. Chances are very high. Chances are very high, but we could be wrong. I don't know. But if Untanzi is going to say, I don't like what I see in my statement, there's a lot of things that I'm not happy about, then they need a Capitec person. In fact, that Bota what if the Bota person comes and says, actually, I gave this statement. This is what I printed from the system, and this is what I've got here by me. So I don't know why it was changed. This is like this on my side, this PDF. We've seen it happen when it came to Pinky from Vodacom. She was like, this side and this side are not the same. I don't know why, and I had nothing to do with this side. This one is what Vodacom sent. This is them, the police. They did whatever they did. It has nothing to do with me. Do you understand? So that is why I'm like, I wish Ramza can just bring Capitec. A person from Capitec who's gonna kind of say, my name is so and so. Sorry. My name is so and so, and I would like to actually speak to. Do you understand? When that happens, we can actually get to the final points of everything. I don't know, man. What do you think? Who do you think should come? But Mina, Steenkamp, someone who's going to tell us Ngala weekend, Osemakaya, who's going to say, this is what happened. Untanzi arrived this day and did ABCD. And also, I have a feeling that Undwandwe, Uzondo, and there's never Ketani or Ruban, but this one, Abase Rustenburg, may come and surprise us. We were also arrested and cases were opened against our names, but we don't know what happened because they released us and we've never went to court. That can happen too. You know these people most, right? Anything that has Gininda and his team, very suspicious, Kesan. It is always suspicious, if you ask me. So I don't trust them. I don't trust them at all. That is why I'm like, I wish they can come and surprise us more, so that we can I want those situations to expose Ukininda for everything, because at some point he will need to there will need to be a commission that will need to make things make sense. What do you mean this happened? Because in that, Gosiam, I so wish these people can be called and give evidence. In fact, all 5 accused can be called and give their account of how they got arrested. And then call these police that were involved in all of that. And on top of that, call all these people that say they were arrested. Honestly, because kuningi kunuka nje into khona enukayo, ikhona into enukayo yona angekhe khehla. So mna uNtanzi, I wish he does that, but I'm happy that uNtanzi finally rest, guys. Inoba izolo uNtanzi slept peacefully, engazi uphinda khwele ebhokisini, idlulile indaba yebox. Inoba ulele peaceful umntana abantu anifuna itsho ungatsho. Inoba uthe ekhathele, uyakwazi ukhathala. Inoba uye xa uthe ka isiyolala qomba kulo. Nkosi yami, I'm tired. That was uNtanzi, guys. But he is so relieved wherever he is, because wow, 2 months witness box. Guys, 2 months witness box. uNtanzi started after uMakhosonke, ne? He started after uMakhosonke. It was in Feb, guys. March no April wonke ebekwi witness box. 2 months. Hey, awulwile kodwa. I respect him. Sherman Funungacho. I respect him. Ulwile. So that is why case ungayibonanga namhlanje. It's because they will come back on Monday. Ramsipule will come with a new witness. We don't know who is he bringing. He didn't say, but we are seeing a new witness on Monday. And I'm so proud of Ramsipule also. The way he rubbished Ubaloyi, the evidence, yeah, 2 months. Why rubbish over what? He rubbished the evidence Baloyi over 3 hours, guys. It's not even 5, because uqale get to 11, and then by 20, quarter past, let's say 20 past. Let's say uqale quarter to 11. And then quarter past, that's 30 minutes, ne? And then by 18 babuya get 10 to 12. From 10 to 12 to 10 to 1, it's an hour. That's 1 hour and a half. And then wayenza mhlambi 20 minutes. It's even less than 2 hours, guys. It was less than 2 hours into eyenzwe ngoRamsipile kuBaloyi. Warabisha kwaSani, wambuthisa uDoti, wamkhombisa andazi sana. He dealt with him, and I'm very proud of him. So sizawubona ke manje ukuthi uRamza uzawulidisha abantu, because we already know that he's good at it, the way he did with uNtanzi. Oh my word. It was so good. It was so proper. It was so proper. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of that? I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.